everybody. Today I want to show you this fun new toy that I got. This is great for arts and crafts. It's a fun punch set. So let's check it out. Here it is. So this is a 3-inch punch set, and you're going to go ahead and put your paper in here, and we're actually going to have, it's going to punch. So we're going to go ahead and take a piece of paper here and show you how to do it. We'll use a red one. Do you want to use red?
Yeah.
All right, and then you just easily slide that in there, and then go ahead and press the button. Ooh, let's pull it out. And look at that, it punched a hole in there. So it's a 3-inch hole punch. So for those big arts and crafts, you can have, so once you do your punch, you have your hole here, and then you actually have your little shapes right in here at the bottom. And the nice thing about this hole punch is you don't have to draw anything. It makes perfect circles every time. Go ahead. And these are really great for if you're doing arts and crafts, or maybe you're making Christmas cards or something like that. Okay, I'll scoot it over.
It's okay. I'll shape it down here.
And the punch is so easy, even my daughter can do it. And what's really nice, you'll see here on the side is this little line that's indicated. That's also going to kind of give you the center of it on both sides. That way you can easily line things up. And then again, you can actually have these center little pieces in here for arts and crafts or anything like that, or even to add to your fun. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Do you want to do some more punching?
Yeah. I do lots of Mom, let's make lots of stuff like we want. Okay?
Yeah. Woo! And you can go really fast if you need to. Look at all those holes we punched. Should we do some more colors?
Yeah.